I'm Igzy.
And I'm Lion. Glad you could hang out with us today. Pop those headphones in because today we are tackling a massive roadblock for English learners.
Oh, absolutely. Lion, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you were speaking perfect English, but native speakers looked at you like you just landed from Mars?
Oh, you have no idea. Just last week, I told a coworker I was feeling a bit under the weather, and the guy literally tried to hand me his umbrella and looked up at the sky. I was just tired.
Oh no! See, that's the trap. Idioms versus literal English. If you translate word for word, you're gonna have a weird time.
Exactly. Textbook English teaches you the rules, but real life English is full of these weird little hidden codes. So, Igzy, what is today's secret phrase that confuses everyone?
Today's phrase is to bite the bullet.
Whoa, 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 hold on. Bite a bullet like actual metal, gunpowder, ammunition? That sounds incredibly dangerous and terrible for your teeth, Igzy.
No bullets were harmed in the making of this phrase, Lion. Don't worry. For our English learners out there, if you hear someone say, I have to bite the bullet, it just means to face a difficult situation with courage. Basically, to do something unpleasant that you've been avoiding and just get it over with.
Ah, okay, I get it now. So it's like when I finally have to sit down, look at my bank account, and do my taxes.
Exactly. You don't want to do it. It's stressful, but you just have to bite the bullet and do it. Or like going to the dentist when you have a toothache.
Okay, but I love history. Where on earth did this come from? Why bullets? Why not bite a piece of wood?
Well, actually, it has a pretty intense history. Back in the old days, before modern medicine and anesthesia existed, soldiers wounded in battle still needed surgery or amputations. To help them cope with the agonizing pain and stop them from screaming or biting their own tongues, surgeons would give them a soft lead bullet to bite down on.
Ouch! Yikes. Okay, suddenly looking at my taxes or cleaning the garage doesn't sound so bad anymore.
Right? Perspective is everything. So, over time, the phrase evolved. Now, whenever we have to face something tough, we say we are biting the bullet.
That's actually fascinating. Okay, let's make this practical for our listeners. How do we actually use this in a normal, everyday conversation without sounding like a history documentary? Give us some examples, Ixie.
Super easy. Imagine your friend has been complaining about their broken phone for months, but they don't want to spend the money on a new one. You could say, look, your screen is totally smashed. You just need to bite the bullet and buy a new phone.
Oh, nice. Or what about at work? Like, if I have to tell my boss that a project is going to be late, I could say, I really don't want to tell him, but I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and give him the bad news. How's that?
Perfect. Spot on, Leanne. You sound like a native speaker already.
Thank you, thank you. I try my best.
All right, time for a quick mini quiz for our listeners and for you too, Leanne. I'm going to give you a scenario and you tell me if it's a correct way to use the phrase. Ready?
Hit me with it. I'm ready.
Scenario 1. You are at a restaurant, you are incredibly hungry, so you order a massive, juicy burger and eat it really fast. Did you bite the bullet?
Definitely not. Eating a delicious burger is not a painful or difficult situation. That's just being hungry.
Correct. Okay, scenario 2. You have a huge exam coming up. You are terrified of failing and you really want to just play video games instead. But you turn off your console, open your textbook, and study for 5 hours. Did you bite the bullet?
Yes, absolutely. You forced yourself to do the hard work instead of running away from it. You bit the bullet.
Yes! 2 out of 2, Leanne. You passed the quiz with flying colors.
Phew, the pressure was real. My heart was actually beating fast there.
So, to all our amazing listeners out there, what is something you need to bite the bullet and do today? Maybe it's practicing your English speaking skills out loud in front of a mirror.
Come on, listening to us isn't painful at all. It's a piece of cake.
Oh, a piece of cake. That's another idiom.
Oh, you caught me, but we'll have to save that one for the next episode.
Deal.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and share this with a friend who is learning English. Practice a little bit every day, guys.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.